When was the last time your business, or any other business for that matter, was recognized for the work that you do? People build a sustainable business and take it to the next level through the utilization of the latest technology, and yet have not found their place in the industry. Skyhigh.vip has acknowledged this issue, and as a solution, what we have done is we have established the Skyhigh Business Awards back in 2009. Skyhigh Business Awards recognize the most important achievements in the international business sector within several categories, and we reward the exemplary initiatives in the manufacturing, banking, service, and development sectors. Each year, the coveted Skyhigh Business Awards are presented at the Global Chamber Summit, which is a major business conference for chamber-related industries worldwide. The nomination process will take approximately 4 to 6 weeks and will include intensive research and stringent background checks into the respective nominated companies. In order to qualify for accreditation, these companies will have to score a minimum of, say, about 120 out of 150 accreditation points. What we are looking for are companies in general that move their respective industries forward through improvised operating performance, adaptation of innovative technology, as well as build on sustainable fiscal models. So, what does winning this prestigious award that has benchmarked its business excellence framework against the world's leading organizations mean to their business? Well, I can tell you this: it's instant global recognition and a mark of excellence to instill confidence in their stakeholders. There are many other benefits of receiving this award. Through interaction with the other winners, they will stand to gain insights on how they can improve their organization's business performance through network leveraging strategies. Their business will be positioned to achieve international business standards. Our nominations are now open, and if anyone feels that they know of a company that fits the bill and should win this award, they should send in their nominations through our website for us to verify and put through the process. If the company they have nominated is selected and does receive the award, they will receive a very special gift from Skyhigh.vip, with my compliments, of course. I look forward to receiving the nominations.